Yes, this year we are showcasing some new products that we're bringing into the market, what we're calling 4.0 products. These are existing products from WITT, but now with built-in sensors and transmission connections, which enable these devices to be, the signals to be fed into plant control systems. So this is about networking of systems. Here we see a WITT dome-loaded pressure regulator. This is the most accurate pressure regulator in the world in terms of its control of the outlet pressure, independent of changes in the inlet pressure, inlet temperature, and flow rates. Now what we see here is some new features that we've added, which are signals coming from built-in sensors in the dome. This will actually tell us about the pressure and the temperature on the inlet and the outlet of the valve, and also the flow rate. So these are signals which can help the oven builder and the glass operating company and other applications to control and have complete visibility of the process.